Some methods of making money online pay higher rates than others, so choose the ones that best suit your lifestyle. Here are some ideas and resources to get started learning how to make money online for free. If you have come to this channel for the first time, then first like the video and then subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Bank hop. Bank hopping is one of the more savvy ways to make money online, but it often requires a little bit of capital to work with. The gist of it is pretty simple. Banks offer sizable deposit bonuses if you open an account, often with a minimum deposit, and hold the money within the institution for a certain period of time, often around 90 days. For example, Citi Bank is currently offering up to $2,000 in bonuses for opening a new Citigold account and keeping your money there for just 60 days, then rinse and repeat at a new institution. A tiered bonus, you'll earn $200 for deposits between $10,000 and $29,999, and $2,000 if you deposit $300,000 or more. Not everyone has that kind of cash on hand, but if you do, and it's earning 0.6% at your traditional brick and mortar, this is an easy way to earn a sizable chunk of free money. Number 2. Invest in fine art. When people think of investing, they imagine the usual: stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. But you can also invest in physical items such as fine art. Up until now, it wasn't possible for most ordinary people to buy famous and original works of art from artists like Picasso, Monet, or Rembrandt. Masterworks is a company that makes it possible to buy shares in a painting, just as you would buy shares of stock. It's a good way to make money online if you know your art and don't need the money right away. Number 3. Flip. Facebook Marketplace finds. I love following furniture flipping accounts on Instagram, like Whitney Hanson's Unsophisticated DIY. The main thing I've learned from these accounts: not all flips require significant work. If you can find good enough deals, you can purchase a piece, then turn around and sell it for profit within a week. Apart from furniture, keep an eye out for other flippable items you can sell, like clothing with tags, antiques, and vintage collectible items like baseball cards or gaming systems. Professional flippers like Rob and Melissa of Flea Market Flipper, who make over $100,000 per year flipping yard sale hauls, have a flipping course that teaches people how to extract the most value out of high-margin items they find. So friends, today we told you that you can easily earn money with the help of these 3 methods. Friends, if you like the video, then like the video and also subscribe to the channel.